A7 provides optimal coordination between people and the servo system, enabling people to respond immediately in the most efficient manner and timing when starting up a machine that requires manual work on the servo motor, or when issues occur during operation. A servo motor's characteristics are determined by the tunings made to suit the device. The challenge thus far has been in optimizing tuning to suit the device configuration, which requires both time and effort for a person to make manual tunings. Although conventional automatic tuning functions have been able to automate tuning to a certain extent, manual tunings by skilled workers are still necessary in order to produce satisfactory results in the case of devices that require more complex tuning. The MINAS A7 is able to automate in these areas that used to require manual tunings by skilled workers. For devices that require ultra-precise positioning at the micrometer level, experienced technicians would have to work several days at a time, repeatedly tuning parameters, giving operation instructions, and checking the results hundreds of times over, all while visually checking the oscilloscope waveforms of the vibration at the tip of the device, which they would measure using servo waveforms and displacement sensors. Dozens of parameters are continuously tuned by skilled workers, relying on their experience and intuition. Naturally, breaks are needed as this work is manual, and errors also occur from time to time when manually entering parameters, resulting in wasted time. The art of tuning lies in how efficiently we can arrive at the combination of parameters that will provide the positioning performance needed with respect to the required precision. And this is where the skills of an experienced worker were required. MINAS A7's precise tuning automates these specialized tunings using AI. The system automates parameter tunings, operation instructions, result checking, and judgments that previously had to be performed hundreds of times over by skilled workers. Human operators need only carry out simple initial setup in relation to tuning evaluation metrics. Once the initial setup is complete and precise tuning starts, all other operations will be automatically repeated. We can see that the system is gradually approaching the target positioning performance while optimizing parameters. One feature of precise tuning is the highly automated tuning ability that satisfies all required performance of multiple motion patterns. Even if the operation speed or travel distance of the same device changes, precise tuning automatically finds the optimal parameters without having to readjust the device for each and every operation. When tuning is complete, the operation stops automatically and displays the results, allowing you to see the types and values of the parameters that were tuned by precise tuning. Compared to skilled manual workers, precise tuning has achieved a 45% reduction in settling time, which is measurement of positioning performance. This enables more precise positioning to be completed more quickly, contributing to improved takt time on precision machines. The time required for tuning has also been reduced by at least 90%, a significant reduction in the tuning period. Fast, high-precision tuning can be achieved without relying on skilled workers. There are three main reasons why AI can perform optimal parameter adjustments and improve equipment performance more than skilled workers. First, the time needed for one cycle, from adjusting parameters to operational testing and checking results, varies significantly between people and AI. While a person can take minutes for an order, the time that AI needs for analysis is mere milliseconds. Even if you add communication time and other factors on top of this, AI can perform one test in as little as 2 to 3 seconds and can repeat adjustments at speeds 10 times faster than a person. What's more, there is a big difference in memory between people and AI. People can only remember up to a few pieces of historical data and may mistakenly set and repeat the same parameters several times, whereas AI has no difficulty memorizing thousands or even tens of thousands of sets of data. Even with the same number of tests, this allows AI to arrive at more optimal evaluation results based on this vast amount of historical data. Finally, there are also significant differences in terms of responsiveness between people and AI. Training an experienced technician takes years, and there are personnel costs in keeping a number of experienced technicians on staff. With AI, tunings can be made anytime, anywhere, and as many times as needed. Even if there are changes in conditions, such as installation environment, operating conditions, or device characteristics, each change can be used to improve the adjustment conditions. In addition to precise tuning, MINAS A7 also offers Tune Compass, which allows you to select what's most important in terms of tuning time or tuning accuracy according to the levels required by the device. You can select the optimal tuning functions according to what's most important, such as device precision and startup time. In addition to tuning functions, MINAS A7 also helps with maintenance work, both before and after issues arise. For example, when a machine stops due to an error, it is important to not only immediately repair the machine, but also to investigate the cause to prevent the same fault from occurring in the future, thereby improving the machine's operation rate. MINAS A7 is equipped with a drive recorder function that records detailed data before and after an issue arises, enabling easy, detailed analysis in the event of an error. It also has a deterioration diagnostic function that detects signs of a problem before it can occur. These functions help maintenance operations perform optimal maintenance tasks at the right time. In this way, MINAS A7 is a servo system that enables optimal coordination with people so that necessary adjustments and maintenance work can be performed when needed, improving the responsiveness of servos and people, thereby contributing to higher productivity for people as well as machines.
Panasonic Industry.